Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today, we're diving into how to use the AMP Quantower platform for trading. I'll cover the basic setup to get you started. First, you need an active AMP futures brokerage account. Once you have it, go to the Quantower website to download the software. Install it on your computer. Next, launch Quantower. You'll see the login screen. Here, select AMP Global as your connection broker. Enter your AMP Futures account credentials to log in. Then, let's set up a basic chart. Click on the Add Symbol button, search for the asset you want to trade, e.g., ES for S&P 500 E-mini, and select it. A chart will appear. You can customize it with indicators from the toolbar. After that, to place a trade, find the DOM or Order Entry panel. Here you can set your order type, market, limit, stop, quantity, and price. Click Buy or Sell to send the order to the market. Familiarize yourself with the different modules like the Account Manager to monitor your balance and positions. Quantower is powerful, so take time to explore its features. If this quick start guide helped you launch Quantower, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.